Hello and welcome to Whiteland Restorations.
Midweek, I was going to say midweek roundup.
No, it's just an update. We haven't done an update for a while, so I thought we'd throw one in midweek just to
have a look what we've been getting up to.
Say hi.
Say hi, check in. Come and have a look what we've been doing.
If you think you're hard enough.
Right, we're only going here.
Yeah, here first.
Let me just spin it around a bit.
Oh, we don't really need to. Oh, there we go.
There we go.
We're spun now.
We're spun. Here we go, we've had this job in.
Lovely MGB.
Lovely MGB. I do love an MGB, as you know.
Yes, we do. It had a bit of a punt in the front.
It did have a punt in the front. It had a trailer reversed into the front corner, took out the wing, the bonnet.
So ring, wing, front valance, all new chrome work on the front.
Do you know how hard it is to get bloody original chrome bumpers at the moment?
Fairly hard.
Very hard. Took me a lot of hunting to get that. New overriders, headlight, indicator, wing. Oh, it was a... But look at it now. We saved it.
We saved the headlight.
Saved the headlight. But it is beautiful.
It's lovely. I've got to say, heritage parts, not what they live up to be. There was a lot of fettling involved making those. The biggest one that was winding me up was the bolts didn't line up.
Yeah,
so
the captive nuts were all welded in the wrong place.
And drill holes in different places. The panels came from the same people. It's like, come on, guys.
You know, when you buy the same year wing to the same year valance, you expect them to actually fit together, don't you?
Guy said, no, I expect a bit of fettling.
A bit of fettling?
A bit of fettling.
20 mil.
20 mil movement. It's a lot of fettling. It's not a file, that's a weld up and relocate.
Luckily, we know somebody who can fix it, eh?
Yeah.
Right. Enough of the MG, because that's going now.
Lovely job. Nearly done. We've just got to do some shuts in underneath.
Schultz. I will refuse to call it Schutz. It's Schultz.
And Dynax.
And Dynax, yes. In the chassis rails, give it a little bit of help to live a little bit longer.
It'll need it.
And then it's going to Tim at Cambrian Classics.
It certainly is.
To get a little bit more help.
A bit of an update on it.
Yeah, to do a little bit more help to live it a little bit longer.
Yes.
Let's go and have a look in the booth.
Moving on.
3, 2, 1.
But before we get into that, let's talk about something nice and new.
Nice and new. How about a Monica edition 240
Oh my god,
t-shirt?
these are delicious.
Aren't they the best? Oh my god. Even Monica's happy about it.
That is Monica. These are our 240 Volvo t-shirts. They're brand new on the scene.
I just love it. It's my favourite t-shirt.
Cool. They're so cool. Sorry if you've already gone on to the store and bought a Volvo t-shirt and now you've seen this one and you go, oh my god, I love that one.
Collect them all.
Collect them all, yeah.
What I would like to do is say a huge thank you to our merch man.
Yes, Den at Vinyls for You. Thank you very much.
He supplies top
so
quality merchandise. Not only that, he does the best shop signs, the best van wraps, vinyl wraps, anything that you want advertising, Den's your man. So go and check him out. I'll put a link to his website in the description. Vinyls for You, clues in the name, everything vinyl, advertising, stickers, mugs, t-shirts.
T-shirts and clothing.
Everything.
Very good.
I'm so happy with it. I think this is my new favourite.
This is my new favourite.
It's my new favourite.
It's my new favourite.
How about we go and have another look at the Escort then?
Yeah, okay.
All right then. Thanks guys, go and check out the links. You might remember this from last episode.
Yeah.
The 1600i.
Love a bit of rock, don't we?
It's like a rust magnet, we are.
We do have some new panels. One in the battery tray there.
Battery tray, yeah, look.
And this one here.
Look at that. That's a lovely battery tray. All you do is you slot it straight in, and you're done.
Yeah, you just glue it down, apparently.
Glue it in, McLaren.
Sadly,
works for McLaren.
Where is it? That one over there.
Oh, yeah.
Sadly. Sorry, coming back.
It's all right, come back in.
I bought an entire sill for the piece here at the front. That bit down there.
That's missing.
Magnum panels, don't think you need that bit there. So this will potentially go straight back to Magnum and we'll be buying one off eBay, which has that bit there.
Well, it's a shame.
Although I gotta say, Magnum panels always use proper steel. It's thick stuff.
They're always pressed really nice as well.
Yeah.
It is just a shame that the bit we
missing
need.
A bit. Yeah.
Do you know? Because when
I didn't need it. This bit here, I didn't need that.
That was extra.
Didn't need that bit. I just wanted that bit because it's a lot cheaper when a sill is 35 quid to buy a sill and lop the end off than it is to fabricate. It's not that I can't fabricate it. It's just it takes a couple of hours to fabricate rather than the 30 quid that the sill costs.
You have to keep an eye on the pennies as well. But when you ring up and you say, "Can I have a sill from Mk3 Escort?" without looking at the pictures to see if it's
Yeah.
included. You know, you'd think it would be there, but no.
My bad. Maybe my bad. I don't
Well,
know.
I wouldn't say it was your bad.
Anyway, this bit here's started to be repaired. That's all been, this bit's been repaired here, under there, that bit's repaired. We found that the, excuse me, we found that the inner structure here, the inner footwell panel, A-pillar area, was just dangling underneath here, like this, woo. And then the inner structure of this panel was also just dangling down here, so there was nothing supporting the jacking point.
It was quite funny when Lewis rang me and he goes, I don't think we've got an inner sill.
No. So we fabricated this bit, which is going to go into there, and we fabricated this bit, which goes on first, which goes onto there, like that.
Beautiful. You'll see all of this in more detail in the next episode.
And then the outer sill goes on, and then, hey presto, that bit's done.
Mk3 Escort.
I don't know if you could see any of that. Could you see any of that from all the way over there?
Yeah, so work in progress. Like I said, you'll see more of this on the next Escort episode.
Oh, speaking of which, welcome to all our lovely new subscribers. We've got a massive boost in subscribers.
They really seem to enjoy the episode on Sunday.
Really did. So
thank you so much.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing.
Every single one of you
Stay tuned for more Ford stuff, because this has pushed, this has jumped so well on our channel that we're going to drag the Fiesta back out.
We were planning on doing Fiesta Fridays. I think it's going to be Fiesta always.
Fiesta always. I'm not sure about Fiesta always, but we'll be dragging the Fiesta back out.
As soon as we can, that Fiesta's coming back out. We're getting a lot of people messaging us, asking us where it is. So we'll keep all of you guys happy as well.
This.
Oh yeah, this is a set of custom rear hard brake lines for the Volvo 240.
Let me grab one.
Grab one. Here. This is all wrapped up, ready to go. You know who you are, and I've popped a little special something in there as well for you.
These are them, pre-folded, pre-bent, pre-flared, pre-screwed.
Ready to install.
Ready to go on your Volvo 240 rear axle.
Yeah, I'll put a link to them in the description as well if you're looking for those. Very hard to find pre-bent hard lines for brakes for Volvos.
Sure is.
Right, to the outside world. Woo! And we have been moving around. This is a concrete pad that we put down.
Can I just insert a clip of moving the container here?
Well, I wasn't ready for that bit yet.
Well, I'm doing it. It's coming in here.
It's that good. Here you go. Insert clip. This was a concrete pad that we put down to actually build a booth.
Yeah, a long time ago.
Then lockdown happened.
Build a nice new spray booth here with a purpose-built mixing room and store room. It would have been a little bit smaller than in there, but it would have been pucker nice, really nice, proper, better extraction, better filters, safer and all of that lot. But lockdown came and we stopped turning around so much work.
Yeah, I mean, we were going to keep our original booth now as a prep room
and
have paint only.
So now the concrete, which we still may build one day.
One day we'll get round to it.
At the moment, these are fantastic movable garages.
This is what we love. We love these lorry backs, instant garage.
Instant garage.
But this is Christina's garage. Let's go inside and have a look. This is Lewis's E30's garage, but we're actually giving it to Laura as a music room.
Yeah, I mean, it's already got 3 engines in it. It must be well powerful.
That is at least, what, 150 horsepower there?
Stop it, you're making my van jealous. And we all know that these things create condensation. But if you do this, small holes, drilled sort of slightly downwards so moisture doesn't come in, both sides.
Both sides, there's some up here as well.
That stops, it gives a bit of a draft inside and it stops all the condensation.
No sweating.
It's been absolutely bone dry since we've done that.
So I got these engines as part of the deal with Laura's Traveller.
Yeah, one of them belongs to it.
One of them, we don't know, I'll have to check the engine numbers when we get round to it. What's this over here?
Door cards.
Door cards. They're Volvo door cards, are they?
Yeah,
Oh.
from Monica.
For Monica's old door cards, right, we'll have a look at this. Laura's going to come down and clear this out, and we have got a lovely barrel of TFR to clean the sides.
Yeah, we just had it dropped off from E&M.
Yeah. Monica is sitting pretty in the shed. Rained off car show this weekend, I'm afraid.
Yeah, well actually, the day before the weather forecast was terrible, and we'd made plans to go to the car show, Cardigan Classic car show. We were going to go. I've been looking forward to it for ages, and the weather was horrific. The day before was horrific.
Torrential, 24-hour rain.
All day long. And then we'd made other plans to do other stuff. We had to stick to them because the container was being moved. And
insert dodgy clip here.
the weather was nice, and it was a really good turnout at the show.
Shame.
Figure that out, eh?
Yep.
Last but not least,
in other news, Lewis has got a day booked off.
yeah, day booked off.
When have you got booked off, Lou?
The 8th of August.
Which is?
My car's birthday.
Lewis's car's birthday.
Yeah.
So as a special treat, Lewis is going to spend the whole day not distracted with anything else other than this car.
Yeah.
And I'm going to be delivering pizzas.
The last time I booked off time to work on my car, we all caught COVID.
Yeah. Do you remember the time you booked to work on your
2
car
weeks.
before that as well, and
Yeah.
we had to work on somebody else's car?
Yeah.
Yeah, that happened.
Emergency job.
Emergency job. But this time, you have 24 hours of uninterrupted BMW fettling time with unlimited snacks, drinks. Right then, so we will see you next Sunday. Next Sunday. What do you say? Next Sunday or this Sunday?
Sunday.
So we'll see you Sunday with another
Installment of some welding. Fabricating and welding, which I'm about to go and do.
Right, thank you very much for watching, guys. Hi to all you new subscribers.
Yeah.
Hello to all the old subscribers. Doing a great job.
Yeah, you are also awesome.
Awesome. Click that like button and see
Don't
you on
forget to
Sunday.
subscribe. Go to the shop. Check out the shop stuff.
Yeah, there's loads of stuff.
And
Have a great time.
stay good.
Shut up,
Be
right?
good.
Be good.
Ciao.
Ciao.